Welcome to TimeBeat Breaking News Channel. Here are our breaking news today.
1. Fauci clashes with GOP lawmaker over when COVID restrictions should be eased. 2. Half of the U.S. state recorded an increase in the number of COVID-19.
COVID-19. Fauci clashes with GOP lawmaker over when COVID restrictions should be eased. When questioned by a Republican lawmaker when Americans can regain their liberty, Dr. Anthony Fauci offered his clearest clarification yet on when COVID-19 limits can be safely removed. When asked by Representative Jim Jordan, R. Ohio, during a congressional hearing when Americans will be able to return to their pre-pandemic lives, Fauci, the nation's top infectious disease expert, clarified that the country still has a long way to go. That would be that the number of infections per day are well below 10,000 per day, Fauci said. At that point, and up to that point, there would be a gradual pulling back of some of the restrictions you're talking about. We're not talking about liberties. We're talking about a pandemic that has killed 562,000 Americans. Jordan became so antagonistic that Democratic Representative Maxine Waters snapped at him after he continued speaking after his question time had expired, telling him, "You need to respect the chair and shut your mouth." The exchange with Fauci, who is constantly being used as a political target by Republicans, became so heated that an enraged Fauci accused Jordan of ranting. With only 20% of the U.S. population fully vaccinated against the coronavirus, many U.S. public health experts have remained cautious in calling for a hasty return to normal as the U.S. vaccination rate continues to slowly climb.
COVID-19. Half of the U.S. state recorded an increase in the number of COVID-19. According to Johns Hopkins University data, at least 21 U.S. states have recorded an increase of at least 10% in average daily COVID-19 positive cases. It is clear that the fight against the pandemic is far from over. In particular, in the state of Michigan, hospitals are increasingly overcrowded and maximized partly due to the rise of new coronavirus infections. National and local officials across the country are trying to avoid a similar situation and are pushing to increase immunization levels in adults, which shows signs of continued improvement. According to the most recent Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, data, more than 30% of adults in the U.S. have been fully vaccinated, and CNN analysis shows that some states can vaccinate all of them, even adults ready to be vaccinated in June. However, between different rates of vaccine hesitation and different rates of vaccination deadlines for all adults ready to be vaccinated vary widely between states, a growing concern because for some locations, a new rally may have arrived. Washington Governor Jay Inslee said on Thursday, "We have eliminated the virus 3 times, but we have to shut it down a 4th time," Washington Governor Jay Inslee said on Thursday, when the number spread state infection increased again. To prevent a new outbreak as well as possibly more contagious COVID-19 variants, health experts continue to recommend wearing a mask, away from society, and above all vaccination.
Thank you for watching. We help you stay up to date all the news hourly. Please subscribe our channel to follow up the latest one.